Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to set up customer support for your Shopify account. So what you want to do first is to go right here. This is your dashboard, guys. Number one thing that we need here, apps. You can press on it and go to apps and sales channel settings. Once we are here, we want to go to Shopify App Store. So it will pop up, and from this point on, you can see every single possible thing that you need, every single possible app is here. But you need to type in right here, guys, support. And let's see. We are looking for something specific right here. Just a second. It's support GPT, FAQ again, guys, and everything. We can see plenty of stuff, but I can't see anywhere. Just a second. We can't find it right now, so we're gonna try it in this way, guys. And we can find it. TDO live chat, guys, is here. So once we're done with that, customer experience platform with live chat, a Lyro AI chatbot, ticketing, and more right here. We can find it. Free plan right here. You can see works with Don, our team. Rating is beautiful. So we want to install that first. Now we're waiting for the installation, TDO live chat, personal data, etc. We can go here, install. And then after that, what we need is to create a free account. So we need our mail and our password. You can see on the left side, solve up to 70% of customer problems with AI, engage your customers on all messaging channels, provide hands-on support with live chat and help desk tools. It's trusted by 300,000 plus companies, guys. Let's check it out. We're loading our Shopify integration with TDO. What's your name? Let's go with something like this. Department we're working at, guys. Let's go with, I don't know, marketing. Why not? Which tools or channels do you currently use to connect with your customers? Let's go with mostly email. Next, optimize TDO. So right here we can see what is your primary business model. I provide services, e-commerce or other. E-commerce if you're doing Shopify. What's your company's industry? So let's go with something like this. How many customers conversations does your company handle per month? Up to 200, and you can see you can go 10,000 or more, or I don't know. Let's go with up to 100. How many visitors does your website attract each month? It's up to 1,000. But let's go with a small business, guys, small numbers right now, and gets up with success. How would you like to interact with your customers via live chat website? That's right. What platform powers your website? Let's go here with Shopify. Next, you can increase sales. So you can see you'll have access to all features. This decision only influencers. Your first steps. What's your main goal in TDO? Increase sales, generate leads, automate my support system with AI chatbot. Let's go with that. Let's go. Let's go and let's see what will happen, guys. So here we can see your 7-day full featured trial starts now. Let's go. We can see it, guys, how it looks like. So here it is. Welcome to TDO. You have 7 days left in your full feature trial. Follow the steps to complete setup, guys, right here. Automate my support system with AI chatbot. You can win up to 70% of your team's time back. Answer customer questions and automate repetitive tasks with Lyro AI chatbot right here. You can set up a Lyro chatbot, set up chatbot right here section. So you can see, provide website URL to import knowledge, scan priority pages, scan single page, website URL. R is not active because it's on sample account, guys, for shooting of videos, and that's all you need to know about it. So it's here. You can complete setup right here and go and start solving your problems. Insert TDO on your website right here again. Customize your message and everything. Mark is done. I'll do it later. Go to flows. You can see that, guys, how it works. My flows. You can see the executed ones, the engagement, coupons used, spent, sales assisted, leads acquired, and everything. So, guys, proactive welcome manager is here, message is here, so you can check it out. On the left side is strategies, scale flows, leads and flows, leads flows, and support flows. Also, right here is the dashboard, is the inbox, is the Lyro AI chatbot. You can press on it and see. Follow these steps to complete Lyro setup. You need to add knowledge by providing the URL of your website. Test Lyro AI chatbot, activate Lyro AI chatbot, monitor and review unanswered questions, and right here you can see the resolution rate, answer rate, transfer to operator, time saved, conversations limit, and everything. So pretty interesting flows are here, guys. You can see the customers here and everything, also analytics, and down below you can see plenty of other stuff such as settings and so on, guys. So definitely give it a shot. It's an amazing app that is free for the first 7 days, so that's another huge sign, huge tell for you that you should give it a shot and see if it's really saving you some time and money, guys. And if it's due, then it's definitely worth it. And then my mission is successful. You know, I just found you a great, amazing solution for customer service. So give it a shot. And if you have any other questions about this, about anything related to the customer support, about anything related to Shopify, Tidio, or something like that, write down in the comment section and I will try to answer to you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video, and until the next time, goodbye.